Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Brixiguman. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then you are very welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and click the notification bell beside the subscribe button. So as you can see, in this video, I am going to share to you my one and only skincare product plus a review on it. Um, by the way, I am a disclaimer, and this product is not sponsored, or this video is not sponsored. I just want you to know what was my thought on this product, because I've been using this product over a year. So without further ado, let's get started. So this product, I got this product from Watson's. First things first thing first thing, I got this from Watson's. Then it was sale on the groceries, department stores, or whatever, or in the pharmacy. So this product that I've been using over a year is, by the way, this product is very cheap, since I don't have a lot of money to buy those expensive skincare products. Um, I'm very stick to my one and only skincare product, which is da 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 da. I'm so excited. So this product is this. So this product is Pond's White Beauty Spotless and Daily Facial Foam. So I've been using this for over a year. So bang. So in this product, I've been using this, as what I've said, over a year. So this product is very good, and it absorbs to my face, which gives me slowly, my skin was slowly whiten. Then, because my friends in school, um, they notice my face that I am getting whiter now, and I am very happy for that, because they notice the effect of this product that I've been using. So this product is cost only 15 pesos. So for those who have not a lot of what do you call this, have a lot of money to buy those skincare product who is very expensive, then I recommend you to use this, because it will also help to dry to make your pimples dry, and also to help your skin glow and whiten. So I'll be going to read to you what are the benefits of this product. So it was written at the back. I think I think you did not see it, but I will read to you. The benefits that you can get on this product is spotless plus rosy white daily facial foam, gentle daily facial foam that washes away dead skin cells and dullness to uncover your rosy white glow. So it will washes away your dead skin cells, that will help to to help to what do you call this, to enhance your skin um, into rosy white glow. So that's it. So how to use it: wet your face, create lather, gently massage onto face and neck, then rinse off. So let's um, let's use this, so that you will know how I should do my skincare routine, and also be sure to you um, my review. So this is my doll face. I have pimples over here, there, and there. So this is my haggard face. So I'm going to to wet my face first. I'm sorry for my English. I cannot speak well, by the way. I'm sorry, but just wait. I'm going to wet my face. So it's now wet. My face is now wet. So I'll be going to apply this Pond's product. I just use um, this, just like this. I use this. So just rub on your hand, then apply to your face. Then it will create bubbly foam. So I so so that's it. Just massage, and rub all over your face, guys. So just take your time, mga I think 30 seconds, that's okay. Or 1 minute, yun. So that's it. Just massage it all over your face. Dun-dun-dun. So just massage all over your face. I usually massage my eye bags over here with this product. So yeah, that's it. So after that, then rinse off the product. Actually, I massage it over a minute or 5 minutes, but you can take your time if you will use this, because I just have to explain to you and share to you my review about it. So I'm going to rinse off this now. Wow. Then after you rinse off, then just pat your face with face towel. So that's it. My face now is very soft, not dry, not oily, but it was very good. I recommend this to the young people over there who have not enough money to buy skincare, but this product is very effective. It will help your skin glow. So this is my face right now. As you can see, it's very white. It's not dry, but it will help to. I'm sorry because I have pimples over here. I'm sorry for that. So it will help to. I have mole over here. Just never mind that. So it will help to control your face. Then in the person as in the person basta in personal, it will very effective. So that's it. As you can see, So you can see my neck and my face. My neck is brownish, but my face is white. So that's it. And that's all about my one and only skincare product. It is very effective. It will help to glow your skin. So I recommend this to everyone. And but once again, that I am a disclaimer. This is not sponsored. I just want to share my one and only skincare product and a review on it. So that's the that's the end of our um, skincare video for today, and I hope you enjoy it. And please, once again, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my on my every upload of my videos. And let's be friends on my social media accounts that I'll be putting down in the description box. And hope to see you on my next video. Bye. Appear.